Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and these are Stella and Chewy's meal mixers. My dog is whining right now because he heard me grab the bag and he's obsessed with these. So here is what one looks like. I have a very small dog, so I like to mix it with his kibble by just crushing it into the bowl like this and mixing it up. And when I do this, he eats all his food in one sitting and it's great. If he's being really good, I give him a whole one as a treat, and he is the most happiest dog in the world. And he is just waiting for me to set the bowl down so he can chow down. This is his favorite meal mixer, and I think your dog will love it too. So if you're looking for a good meal mixer for your dog, something to spice things up with their kibble, definitely check out Stella and Chewy's meal mixers. This is the chicken flavor, but all their flavors my dog seems to be obsessed with. They are also grain and gluten free, which is really nice if your dog has any sensitivity to those. So definitely check it out. That's my point of view.